to disable ads on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the app drawer, and over here we need to go through a couple of apps that we have pre-installed that contain ads. So first we're gonna start with the app vault. So if you go to the app vault, then over here in the upper right corner we have these three dots. You want to tap over here and go to manage services. Then you should be able to find these two options. You want to disable suggestions and promotion. Let's go back to the app drawer. Now in here, in the next app that we want to go to is the downloads app. In here we can tap on the three dots again in the upper right corner and go to settings. Then over here you want to make sure that recommended content is disabled. If it's enabled, just tap on it in order to turn it off. Next up, let's check out what is next. Then we have the MI browser app. So if you use the MI browser, you probably want to disable ads in here as well. Tap on this person icon in the bottom right corner. There we go. Then we're gonna go to settings in the upper right corner. Now in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and you want to go to advanced. And then in here we can disable this option, show ads. Alright. Now besides that, we should be able to find the MI video app, and let's see how the app looks like, because there are actually two MI video apps. And in one of them we can actually get rid of these ads, but in here we have that version that does not have the option to do so. So unfortunately, you might unfortunately be stuck with ads in this case. So the best solution would be to avoid using the app completely. But in some cases, if it is possible to actually go to settings, because here we don't have access to any settings whatsoever in this app, but if we can go to settings, then over there you can find popular today option and scan for new local videos. Both of these options you want to disable, but that is only if you actually have settings inside this app. Then we're gonna go to the music app. Let's wait for the app to be loaded. There we go. We're gonna tap on these two sliders in the upper left corner. You can of course grant access if you want to use the app actually. A bunch of things that we have to go through. A bunch of pop-ups. Alright. We're gonna go to settings. And over here in settings you should be able to go, so well, first you want to disable permanent notifications. And then in here we want to go to advanced settings. And here we have these two options, show ads and personalized recommendations. You want to turn these options off. And if you don't want to use the app at all, then you can just withdraw the consent over here. The consent, I mean. So you can withdraw, and then the app should be turned off. Next, we should be able to find themes. So let's go to themes app now. Let's wait a couple of seconds. There's an ad, we have to skip it. Tap on my account in the bottom right corner. Then go to settings here in the upper right corner, and then you want to disable these two ads. These two options, show ads and personalized recommendations. Alright, now besides that, it is also worth going to settings, and then over here in settings you want to proceed to notifications and status bar. Then here you want to choose app notifications, and you want to go through this list and turn off notifications for these apps that we went through. So for example, you can disable notifications from Themes app, from App Vault over here. Then you can scroll down and see if there's more. You might want to disable notifications for the File Manager as well. And then we have the MI Browser, MI Video and Music app. And there we go, that should be all. So if you receive annoying notifications from any of these apps, then of course you can just disable these notifications completely, so they will not be displayed anymore. And besides that, it is also worth going to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Over here you want to choose authorization and revocation, and you want to disable two apps over here, the MSA app and System Daemon. Now if you try to turn off or revoke the authorization, then you need to wait 10 seconds before you can actually do so. So you want to wait 10 seconds and tap on revoke. Let's do the same thing with the System Daemon app over here and just wait one more time and then revoke the authorization. So disabling these two apps should prevent, at least in theory, seeing more ads in these apps. And that is pretty much all that we can do in order to remove ads from Redmi A7 Pro. And that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.